All right, family, we're back again. This is the AfriOne Life. If you've not joined the AfriOne Life, please, I want to encourage you, use the number that you're currently seeing, which is the WhatsApp number for you to register on the AfriOne Life. The AfriOne Life comprises of all various services and professional, products that is available on our platform, from property, marketplace, hospitality, security, radio, insurance, advisory, AfriOne show, investment, charter cars, foundation, name them, legal, ombudsman. A lot of people, you people like the ombuds, because I see a lot of cases coming out on the ombud side of things, where you can sue your landlord and sue your landlady, and landlord can sue tenant. But advantage with it is, if you are a recurring client, whereby you pay your subscription on a monthly basis, you can literally sue your landlord for refusing to fix the door. And because you are part of the AfriOne, Life platform, our team will come out, make sure that your landlord fixes the door at no charge whatsoever, simply because you're a recurring client. What more will you be able to get for just 10,500 when it's you as a basic user using the platform? So with that being said, I'm going to be talking about the menu number 9, which is known as investment. So I'm going to click investment. So if you see an investment, it will tell you start a campaign. So which means you can start a campaign. I think for those of you who followed us at the first time with the AfriOne show on radio, we used to give out a 50,000 money into your business, where we don't ask you for any returns and stuff. So this time we decided to bring it back into this very particular platform, where you can start a campaign to say you're looking for 1,000 dollars, or you're looking for 500 rand, or you're looking for Rwandan francs 20,000, or Nigerian naira 100,000. You can come here, start your campaign, or probably you can browse opportunity. So which means a user may come here, put an opportunity of business and say, okay, I have this business. I'm looking for $10,000. I need 12 people to be able to give me maybe $800. And I'm going to give a 20% equity or a 5% equity. The opportunities are available. So you are not just only looking for services or probably to find a way of bettering your life. You are also making value right here on the AfriOne Life. You can also find on one of the menu here, it says business development. We also have investment group, which means, let's say, for example, currently now sitting in this very particular studio, we are 3. The 3 of us can literally come on here, use our unique ID, create an investment portfolio and stuff, and get people to invest on that very particular portfolio, and people get their dividends. That will be determined by the 3 of us. And we only do that literally using our unique ID number. We don't use our direct number for security reasons. And so you can also track your investments. You can actually see your returns and payout, and then also your compliance, which means one thing with us as AfriOne Life, we make sure that you comply by the rules and regulations of this. Talking about this, I remember I don't know when you are watching this, but remember when we were starting this, simply because of a particular compliance, the name, if you notice now, we're not using the word AfriOne PMS, we're using AfriOne Life. It was because literally some organizations decided to pop out and say, if we use PMS literally means something around the women, and it's like a derogatory statement. We're like, okay. And next minute they were slamming us some heavy amounts, and we're like, no. Let's go back to the drawing board. Let's comply to what they want. And boom, we're good. And that's why we're still where we are today. So we comply. So you can also find partners. You can find financial advisors on the investment side of things. So I don't know about you. Maybe you want to literally start a campaign. You're a business owner and then you're looking for funding. One thing I can tell you on the investment side, please hear me. We don't fund health issues. It's literally business and business alone. Health issues, we don't fund health issues. I've seen some emails coming into the admin side, and somebody will tell you that their uncle swallowed shovel, or some dog decide to eat monkey and they need, I'm like, I don't understand. We don't do that. The only company that does that, in case if you need their information, you can go on your social media platform, is literally Charlotte Love Foundation. They are good when it comes to helping with all of the medical issues and stuff. But for us as AfriOne, we don't fund health issues. And that's why we have our health insurance package that you can take insurance package just in case you find yourself that you are sick, your insurance will pay out. Please and please, Nigerians, hear me as you're watching this video. Get yourself an insurance policy. I don't care how small the insurance policy is. With AfriOne, for example, the moment you register on our platform and you are paying your monthly subscription from 10,500, automatically you are insured with AfriOne Insurance. So which means you don't have to pay extra money. That 10,000 you paid your insurance is also part of the package where if you find yourself in hospital, literally AfriOne will pay for your hospital bills. If you find yourself that you need medications and stuff, you can chat with either of our doctors and they will literally give you a prescription and they will tell you which of the pharmacy that is close to you that you can walk in there, give them the prescriptions, and literally they'll give you medication without you paying a dime. I don't know how life can be easy if you are not in AfriOne Life. So that is it currently now when it comes to the investment side of the AfriOne Life platform. Please remember you can be able to get these on 3 platforms. Number 1, our website, which is known as AfriOne.Africa. You'll find a tiny chatbot by the side. Click it. Boom. You are in. Number 2, you gotta use the WhatsApp number, which is currently available on the screen. It's +44. If you don't find that number, then just know it's not a real number. And also on the Telegram side, it is known as @AfriOne Life BOT. I'll see you on the next production. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back just now.